And they walked to these groups of 50s and 100s. You can imagine how many groups there were, with a part of a bread and a part of a fish. And they have to feed the 50 people in front of them. Just imagine with a moment, with me. How would you react? You have a piece of bread and a piece of fish. You walk and like, I have to feed 50 people. So the first piece of bread would probably be very small. And a fish. Okay, next. Oh man, okay. But I think as they started to go on, they realized, but wait, this bread is staying the same size no matter how much I break off. And this fish is just multiplying in my hand. Why? Because the miracle was in their hands. Jesus actually in the beginning said, you feed them. And when they went out to feed them, there was a miracle of the multiplication of the bread and the fish.